Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrencies are and why they're revolutionizing the way we think about money? In the next 3 minutes, I'll break it all down for you. No confusing jargon, just clear, simple answers. Let's get started. At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography, a method of secure communication, to ensure transactions are safe and to control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional money, like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies aren't issued by governments or banks. Instead, they operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. A blockchain is a public digital ledger that records every transaction securely and transparently. Think of it like a digital notebook that everyone can see but no one can change unfairly. Cryptocurrencies were born out of the need for trust, privacy, and independence. In 2008, during the global financial crisis, a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, as an alternative to the traditional banking system. The idea was simple: allow people to transfer money directly without middlemen like banks and avoid unnecessary fees. Bitcoin's creation marked the start of a financial revolution that led to thousands of cryptocurrencies being developed, like Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Cryptocurrencies rely on peer-to-peer networks. When you send crypto to someone, the transaction is verified by a group of computers called nodes. These nodes solve complex mathematical problems to confirm the transaction, a process called mining. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain, making it permanent and tamper-proof. Because the system is decentralized, no single authority controls it, which makes cryptocurrencies transparent and resistant to fraud. Cryptocurrencies are changing the world in multiple ways. They allow for fast, global transactions with low fees, giving financial access to people who don't have access to banks. They're also driving innovations like smart contracts and decentralized finance, DeFi. But remember, cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so it's important to do your research before investing. To sum it up, cryptocurrencies are digital, decentralized, and secured by blockchain technology. They're not just a trend, they're reshaping our financial future. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment if you have any crypto-related questions. See you next time.